you lost another one.
What's up guys, Jacob here with Noise Boys Garage, and today we have a full SS build. Basically we're installing this whole SS cladding kit. Right now it's just mocked up. We're finishing off some of the body work, and then we'll go ahead and get the cladding molded to the truck. What's up guys, Jacob here with Noise Boys Garage, and today we finished up this SS Clone extended cab. We used all fiberglass kit. Right now the customer did not want to paint it or plastic it or anything, he just wanted the cladding. So basically it's just primered up. If you want to go ahead and show them.